So we can solve this question. Here it is given that we have to draw the rough sketch of the region, which is y square is less than or equal to 6ax, and the region x square plus y square that is less than or equal to 16a square. So first we will draw the graphs of, first we should draw the approximate graphs of y square equal to 6ax, and we should draw the approximate graph of x square plus y square equal to 16a square. So this will be a parabolic graph. This will be having a parabolic shape, and this will be a circle. It is having the radius will be 4a, and the center will be at 0, 0. And so we can draw the y-axis. So the y-axis, let's say this is the x-axis. This is the origin. Now the graph of y square equals to 6ax will be approximately like this. Y square equal to 6ax. And x square plus y square equal to 16a square, that will be a circle. Will be like this. So they will intersect at 2 points. So here we can see that for this inequality is obviously satisfied by the origin. This inequality is obviously satisfied by the origin 0, 0. Since y is 0 will be obviously less than 16a square. So it means this inequality represents the area of the region which is inside the circle. Means this inequality represents the region within the circle. The region within the circle. And this one, for this one, if we put like y square, so it is also the region which is within the parabola. Within the parabola. Now, suppose the center radius is 4a. Suppose so, this point will be at which point the circle will intersect the x-axis. The points will be 4a, 0, and it will intersect at minus 4a, 0. Since the radius is 4a. So if I put 4a, 0 at this, in this inequality, if we put 4a, 0, then obviously 0 square is less than or equal to 6a times 4a. So it means that this inequality means that the inequality which is your y square is less than or equal to 6ax. This represents the region inside the parabola. The region inside the parabola. So it means we have to use the common intersection part of these two regions. It means we need to find the area of this region. We need to find the area of this shaded region. So here we can see that these two parts, one is the part which is above the x-axis. This part is symmetric with that part which is below the x-axis. So it means that if I can tell that the area of the region which is above the x-axis, that is suppose a units, suppose a 1 unit. A1 square unit suppose. Then the total area which is required by us to find will be 2A1 square units that we have to find actually. This question. Since we if this is A1, then this will be also A1. Since the shape is symmetric, since the shape is symmetric about the x-axis. So first we need to find at which points the circle is intersecting the parabola. Means the equation of this straight line, if you can find it, is some x equal to some constant that we have to find. So what will be the x coordinates of these 2 points? Let's say I can call them as C and D. What will be their coordinates? So it means we have to solve these 2 equations. So y square is 6ax. So if we put that y square equal to 6ax in the equation of circle, then we get what? The equation of the circle. Then we get as that x square plus 6ax, that will be equal to 16a square. So it means that x square plus 6ax minus 16a square, that will be equal to 0. Now 16a square I can write that is equal to 8a times 2. Why I am writing like this? Since we want to factorize this expression, we want to factorize and factorize it. Since we 8a minus 2a, that will give me 6a. So therefore I can write this as this implies that is x square plus 8ax minus 2ax minus 16a square, that is equal to 0. So it means I will get x times x plus 8a minus 2a, I can do x minus 8a, that is equal to 0. X plus 8 is 0. So then it means that it is coming x plus 8a times x minus a, that is equal to 0. So it means that x is coming equal to 2a. X is equal to 2a. Since by here since x equal to 2, since by here this should be here x, here it should have a positive value. X should have a positive value. So it means this one cannot be. So means if we solve it, we will get x equal to 2a and x equal to minus 8a. But x equal to minus 8a we can't take. We have to include, we have to take x equal to 2a only, since x should have a positive value only here. Okay, so therefore the required area, that will be equal to the integral. Actually, if we take this point, suppose where this straight line x equal to 2a means it intersects the x-axis, that is was point E. Then the coordinates of the point E, we know that will be obviously 2a, 0 is 2a, 0. So it means now this part is a parabolic part. This is the parabolic part. And here in this region, this is a circular part. So we need to integrate the parabolic part separately, and we need to integrate the circular part separately. It means the total area which we have to find, we have to do the area of the region COE plus we have to do the area of the region CE. Now this point, suppose if I call it some point, let's say this is F. The coordinates of the point F is 4a, 0. So it will be CEF. So the area of the region CEF we have to find separately, and COE we have to find separately. Since why the here the equation of the curves are not the same. Here we have the circular part and here we have the parabolic part. So now area of COE, that will be the integral from minus from 0 to 2a, from 0 to 2a, and that will so now here we need to find the equation of this branch. So if we solve it, y square equal to 6x, then we get y equal to root over 6ax. So the equation of this branch will be y equal to root over 6ax. So we have to do root over 6ax dx, plus we have to take the integral from 2a to 4a. From 2a to 4a, it is we have to take, since from x equal to 2a to x equal to 4a, we have to integrate this circular part. Now the equation of the circular part, so from here if we solve it, means y square we will get 16a square minus x square, no? For the circle. For the circle we will get this. So from here we will get y equal to square root of 16a square minus x square. So this one we will use. So it is square root of 16a square minus x square times dx. Now this we have to integrate. So therefore here the required area that will be equal to the integral of 0 to 2a is square root of 6a into root x dx, plus that is 2a to 4a integral, that is square root of 16a square minus x square into dx. Right, and correct. Yeah. Yes. So this will be equal to square root of 6a is a constant, so we should take it outside of the integral. Now it is integral root x dx from 0 to 2a, plus that will be integral 2a to 4a square root of 16a square minus x square into dx. Now that will be equal to root over 6a. Now this is x power half, so the integral is x power half plus 1, y half plus 1, and we have to integrate it from 0 to 2a, plus now we know that square root of, suppose I ask you b square minus x square dx integral, that is what that will be equal to x by 2 square root of b square minus x square plus b square by 2 sine inverse x by b, sine inverse x by b plus. So this root we will use it. So that will be equal to x by 2 square root of 16a square minus x square, plus that will be b square by 2 means 16a square by 2 sine inverse x by 4. That will go from 2a to 4. So now this will be equal to the square root of 6a times this is x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. Integral it will go from 0 to 2a, plus it will be, now if we put 4a here, then this will become 0. So this will be your 16a square by 2, that is 8a square times sine inverse 4a by 4a, that is sine inverse 1. Sine inverse 1. Then minus this is your 2a by 2, that is a times square root of 16a square minus 2a square, that is 4a square, plus that is 8a square, 8a square times sine inverse 2a by 4. So this will be your root over 6a times 2 by 3 times this is your 2a whole power 3 by 2 minus 0 power 3 by 2. Now plus this will be 8 a square times sine inverse 1 means it is pi by 2 minus this is your a square into this is 12 a square. So square root of 12 a square, this will be 2 root 3a. This won't be a, so this a I have to remove. And plus this will be no, sorry, this will be minus minus 8a square times sine inverse. So this will be 1 by 2. Sine inverse 1 by 2 means it is pi by 6. This will be 3 is 6, 4 is 8, 4 is 8. So this will be your should be 2 root 6 by 3a times this will be 2a times root over 2a. So root 2 into root a. Okay. So plus this will be your 4 pi a square minus 2 root 3a square minus 4 pi a square. By a square by 3. So this will be your 2 is of 4 times root 2 into root 2, that is 2. So 4 is 8. This will be 8 root 3 by 3. This is root a. So a square root a. No, this is your actually root a. So this is your root a times root a, that is a times a, that is a square. Okay, then plus this will be 4 pi 2 by 3. 4 pi a square, if I take it as common, 4 pi a square, if I take it as common, that will be 1 minus 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3 minus 2 root 3 a square. So yeah, we can just rearrange it. That will be your 3 to the 6. I can take it as 6. It's 8 root 3 minus 6 root 3, that is 2 root 3 a square. Root 3 a square by 3. Sorry. So this will be your equal to your sorry 6 root 3, so 2 root 3 a square by 3 plus this will be 8 pi a square by 3. So the simple answer we can write in this way, that is 2 root 3 plus 8 pi whole divided by 3 into a square. This is the final answer. Thank you.